Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is my 69 Ford Bronco I've been working on, and I just put the Ford Explorer Serpentine front dress on what would be a 289 motor, but it also fits a 302 and a 351. So just a little look at it. This is the bracket from Wild Horses, so you can run the Saginaw Pump. I believe BC Broncos also sells the same bracket. The parts you're going to need for this swap are going to be the timing cover back here, the water pump. I got the harmonic dampener from Dampener Dudes. It's rebalanced to 28 ounces. And then I used this sensor comes with a little timing pointer. So I just need to put the timing tape on there for my motor. And then this bracket right here, your passenger side bracket, this is the factory bracket off of the Ford Explorer. I bought basically everything new except for this bracket right here, the passenger side bracket. Everything else I got off of Rock Auto. Some people like to do a little cheaper and just pull everything from the junkyard, but I don't know, I just figured when I can buy the stuff new, why not? You also get the 4G alternator. I think I read it was like 3 times as powerful as the stock Bronco alternator. You do have to run the 90-degree outlet for your hoses. Also, with the bracket that I got right here, they sell another little piece that connects up top, and then you can mount the AC compressor if you'd like. I'll be doing that in the future when I switch over to vintage air. But yeah, I don't have the fan on it right now, just to show you guys kind of what it looks like. I'll put the fan on here in a second and give you a little better view. So this is with the fan on, and it's just very tight. Everything's very compact with the Explorer Serpentine Conversion. Overall wasn't too bad. I would recommend it to anybody. And like I said, I bought almost all the parts new off of Rock Auto. Cost-wise, I didn't really go the budget route, to be honest. Most people pull everything out of the junkyard and then just kind of clean it up and run it, but I'm pretty OCD, so I wanted everything to look new and nice. And here's another side view. I need to put the radiator in still, but I need to straighten out my core support. It's a little tweaked from its past life, but yeah, overall it's super compact, fairly easy. I'm glad I got the supposedly the fan clutch was a big upgrade over the stock Bronco one, and then the bigger alternator and the Saginaw pump. And then I just like that I only have to carry one belt when I'm out cruising around, and it keeps a constant tension. So yeah, not too bad. Anybody could do it. Just take your time and you can get it done. I will be putting the link to the tech article that I followed on Classic Bronco Forum, as well as various other links to like all the bits and pieces I used, like the pump and the bracket, and just like the part numbers and stuff that I got. So yeah, here's a little just kind of side profile of my Bronco in its current state, but still working on it. Just doing little bits and pieces here and there, and hoping to the next big thing I'm going to do is patch up the floor, and then I need to repair the firewall, and just keep gathering parts and keep moving along on it. So got the King suspension all the way around, that's all custom, and with a Super Duty axle front and rear. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment or send me a message. Yeah, thanks.